If you hear a difference in your exhaust system, there might be a problem. You can have your car checked out at a auto repair shop and have it professionally repaired if there's a problem, or you can do the inspection yourself to see if the repair is easy enough for you to do it yourself. Depending on the damage, there are multiple ways to solve an exhaust leak problem. There are various kits available online for sale. Some kits can be installed with simply nuts and bolts, while others require a welding machine. There are also tape wrap that can withstand high temperature that can be used to repair exhaust leak. But don't try anything like this because it just won't work. After the inspection of my exhaust system, I located the leak at the flange. This is what it sounds like. So these are the repair materials that I will be using. I will be using this metal strap as well as this repair wrap. This wrap is activated by water. Now let's get under the car. I first cut off the damaged area. You just want to ensure that you have a straight cut. And this is the saw that I used. Make the job easy. After the cut, I joined the two ends together. And to be able to join the muffler together like this, I had to remove one of the rubbers that holds the muffler in place. Then I activate the wrap by adding water, then tightly wrap the pipe. I'm going to use this heat gun to speed up the drying process. Then I apply the clamp. And after tightening the clamp, the repair job was completed. I fully tested the repair area with soapy water and I saw no leak.